What's up? This is Alyssa with Redemption Threads, and today I'm super excited to show you guys how to get embroidery designs from Etsy or a website or just your computer from there to your embroidery machine so that you can embroider your design. So it's super simple. The first thing that you're going to need is a USB. This is the one I have. Super simple. I think it's like 30 gigs or something like that. I have a Mac, and it actually does not have a USB port. It's a MacBook Air. And so you can buy this little thing. It's called a USB-C adapter. So this part plugs into your Mac, and then the other side, you can put the USB in. So that's how I'm able to get the designs from my MacBook Air to my embroidery machine. If you just have a regular computer, like a Windows or something like that, you probably will have a USB port, so you won't have that issue. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your account on Etsy, down to Purchases, click Purchases. Then you're going to scroll. Here you can see all of the things that you've purchased on Etsy, so you will have to have already bought the design. Then you're going to go find the design you want, hit Download Files. Then you can go and hit the download button, and that is going to download it to your computer. So you're going to find this in your downloads. So on my Mac, I'm going to show you where that is. You're going to go down to Finder, and then click Finder, Downloads, and you'll see that right up top. You can see all the different files that you have. On Windows, it would be in your files as well, and hit Downloads and look for it there. So then you're going to go into Embroidery, and I'm going to show you how to add this font into your Embroidery. Super easy. Bear with me. So all I do is drag and drop it onto the Embroidery window. Then you can go and you see here, it's got it all installed for you, that easy. And then you don't have to just like open it a million times. It's installed in your Embroidery. So go up and see the little A. I'm starting a new page here, but go up to the A, hit the A, and that's your fonts. So then you can go over and scroll down till you find the font that you just downloaded into your Embroidery. So you can hit the college, and there you are. So here, you would just edit your text if you wanted to. I'm going to leave it as ABC just for time's sake. And then once you have it all ready, you're going to hit File, Save As. And then I'm going to hit my USB. It's Verbatim is what it's called. Then I'm going to name it, and you can hit Save. If you want to change the file here, you can. You can see all the different files. Different embroidery machines have different file types, so that's what that was. And then hit Save, and it should be on your it should be on your USB now. So for my Baby Lock Alliance, it's going to be right over here. And that's where you're going to insert your USB. And then you could pull it up here. So all you'll do is you'll hit this, and you'll scroll until you find your design. There it is, and it's ready to go. Alright, so this is my Brother PE800. It's going to be right here on the side. So that's where you would plug it in. If I can get it. Okay, so then hit the screen. Okay. Then you're going to hit that same little button. You're going to scroll until you see the design you need. Oh, actually, sorry, I haven't used this one in a while. You hit these buttons and it can scroll. And then you click that, set, and you're ready to embroider.